In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily live stream on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app and then tap right here where it says what's on your mind. Then, towards the bottom of the screen in this list, we can easily find a live video, and if we tap on it, we'll be taken to a live video mode where we can go live immediately by tapping right here at that button, and also we can configure our live stream. I'm gonna show you how you can easily do so. First off, we can add some effect to our reel by hitting at that sign. We can choose any effect, any filter in this way. Also from here we can cancel it if we tap at that icon. Now we can turn on or off flashlight in this way. If we are on our frontal camera, it will just turn on our screen brightness to 100%. If we are on our main camera, it will turn on flashlight, just like that. Also, by hitting at that icon, we can switch between our front and main camera, and then also by tapping at that sign, we can turn off our mic. We can easily do so right during our live translation in this way. Also, we can schedule our translation by tapping right here. That's where we can set start date and time, give a name to our event, and then we can, in this way, schedule our live. If we tap right here, we'll be able to invite our friends to that live simply by check marking those friends whom we want to invite. We can obviously invite multiple users at the same time. If we tap right here, we'll be able to create a poll for that live. And also, if we tap at that icon, we can add a location to our reel, just like that. We can add any location from the suggested, or we can search for a location using that search box. And then the last cool feature here is voice enhancements. If we get into it, we'll be able to reduce background noise by activating that feature, and also we'll be able to enhance our voice by activating that one. Once you are done with that, you are ready to go live. Just hit at that button.